Here it is, the beautiful close-up of this 3D flower. Amazing. I love the colors, I love the cells in this, and I do love the gold effect in between each flower. This flower was created by pouring paint over the top of a candle holder and then dipping it with a paper napkin. Check out today's creation video, you're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say thank you all for being here. Today I'll be working on a 8 by 8 inch canvas, and I've already poured my white base on that, and the white base that I use is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And I'll be creating a 3D effect flower using a paper napkin. And the paper napkin I'm using today will be a dry paper napkin. It's thin, so you don't need to damp it. Alright, and I'm loving the colors that I'm using today: gold, yellow, black. And these are, the colors of the Jamaican flag, and I just wanted to create another beautiful Jamaican color painting. So here I am just pouring the paint over the bottom of the candle holder. When I do this, it created a beautiful pattern. And then, guys, I keep adding more layers of colors, creating a more 3D effect. So when I dip my paper napkin, you guys will see the beautiful effect. So you have to watch this video all the way to the end to see how I got that effect. I learned this beautiful technique by watching Fiona from Fiona Art. I have to give her a big shout out. I really do love this. This is one of the very first techniques that wowed me, that got me like so amazed and so, in awe on my fluid art journey. So I haven't done a lot of these, so I wanted to do, another beautiful 3D effect using, the paper napkin and my candle holder as my main tools in this. I do hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and if you do, give this one a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. And of course, I want to say thank you all to my new viewers and my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you have to hit the bell and hit all so that whenever I post a new video, you are notified each time. All right, I do create similar videos. This channel is all about the fluid art. It's all about the acrylic pour painting, and it's all about, it's therapy. It keeps you guys calm and amazed, and just to see how these colors really comes to life. All right, I'm so happy I get to inspire someone to get up and try. It's an art where it doesn't matter what age group you're in. It's just fun, right? And I do hope you guys can give it a try and let me know. Let me know which technique you like to see me do. I am trying as much, within this fluid art experience that I'm having, just to try different techniques and then to share it with you guys. So let me know how you feel about this one. Let me know if there's a technique that you would love for me to try on here on my channel. And yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. If you're here this far, I want to mention that tonight's video is a part of our weekly Tuesday night train with me, Holly, Laurie, and Nate. But for tonight, it's just going to be me and Laurie from Laurie Houston Art. She has done some amazing flower pop. You guys should go check out her flower pop series. I'm telling you, she does some amazing work. And this is one thing with the fluid art, guys. I'm telling you, different artists here, we do different techniques, and we try to master that one technique as much as we can to then teach you guys and to share our experience with you. So I do hope you guys really do love this our weekly Tuesday night premieres, and I do hope to see you guys here every Tuesday night. We really do appreciate you guys, and for the few people that comes out, I want to say thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. Don't go away, guys. The close-up of the wet result and the dried result is coming up. I hope to see you guys at the end. Thank you.